Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve a problem that is given. Suppose u follows uniform 0, comma 1 and x is equal to tan pi u minus half when which of the following statements given below are true. Now at first what we will do is we will find the distribution of x. Okay. So the distribution of x here, let some v be u minus half. Here u minus half is given. So we will take u minus half as v. Then v follows uniform minus half, comma, here 1 is given. So this is half. So v will follow uniform minus half, comma, half. Now the transformation here, that is x is equal to tan pi v, that is u minus half, is strictly increasing with where v belongs to minus half, comma, half. Now mapping to x is what we get. X belongs to minus infinity to infinity. Now the PDF of x here is the standard Cauchy. Now what is the PDF of a standard Cauchy? That is fx is equal to 1 by pi 1 plus x square minus infinity to infinity, right? Now here what we do is we evaluate the first state, that is expectation of x to the power 4. Now here for the Cauchy distribution, what we get is the nth moment exists only if n is less than 1, right? The nth moment exists for Cauchy distribution only if n is less than 1. So here expectation of x to the power 4 is equal to 1 by pi minus infinity to infinity 1 by 1 plus x squared into x to the power 4 dx, right? Now from here what we get is, as here x tends to plus minus infinity, here x tends to minus infinity to plus infinity, that is x tends to plus minus infinity, we get expectation of x to the power 4 not equal to 3, right? Here it was given that expectation of x to the power 4 is equal to 3. So from here we get the first statement as false. Now moving to the next statement, that is given probability x belongs to 1, 2, 5 is equal to half. Okay. Then evaluating statement 2, that is given probability x belongs to 1, 2, 5, that is equal to half. Now from here what we get is, since x is a continuous random variable, the probability of the finite countable set of specific values is 0. So the probability for finite specific values is equal to 0. As we know that x is a continuous random variable. Okay, so from here what we get is probability x belongs to 1, 2, 5 is equal to 0 and not half as given here, right? So from here we get statement 2 is also false. Now moving to statement 3, it is given expectation of e to the power x does not exist. Okay, let us check that is given expectation e to the power x. This does not exist. Okay, it is given that expectation of e to the power x can be written as 1 by pi, simple the PDF, minus infinity to infinity, that is e to the power x by 1 plus x squared dx. Now here as x tends to infinity, as x tends to infinity, e to the power x by 1 plus x squared, this also tends to infinity, right? So the integral here diverges, right? So from here we can see that expectation e to the power x does not exist, correct? So from here we get statement 3 is absolutely correct. So moving to statement 4, it is given probability x less than or equal to 0 is half. Okay, then probability x less than or equal to 0 is half. Here, since it is given, it's a Cauchy distribution. So, we know that Cauchy distribution is symmetric, right? Symmetric about 0, absolutely. So, Cauchy distribution is symmetric about 0. From here, we get probability x less than equal to 0 is absolutely half. So, from this, we get that this statement is also true. So, statement 4 is also true. So, in total, we got statement 3 and statement 4 as the correct true options here. Oh, thank you.